Om Shanti. Today we will discuss on two matters. First, prayer and second, meditation. What is difference between prayer and meditation? Prayer means when we say something to God, it is called prayer. And in meditation, we say something to God, then calm our mind, then listen what He wants to say to us. It is called meditation. So, we are discussing and talking about prayer and meditation. Now I am telling you a beautiful story regarding this. Once upon a time, there was a cow's herd. He used to go to forest and he always sit on a stone and talk to God that God, you made this beautiful world and all are working here. Same situation with me. My cows are grazing there. They are doing their work. God, you are alone and I am alone. I don't know where you are living, but you know where I am. So God, come near to me. We will talk and discuss on different matters. He used to say these words daily to God. One day, a Panditji came through that forest. He saw a cow's herd was neutering there. So he went near him and asked him, what you are doing? Then he said, Sir, I am talking to God. Then Panditji said him, what you are talking to God? Then he said, I am saying to God, you are alone, I am alone. So come near to me, we will talk on different matters. Then Panditji got annoyed and he said, it is not right way. It is not right civilization to talk to God. Then he got scared and joined his hand and said, Sir, kindly teach me how can we talk to God. Then Panditji said, okay, I will teach you. Then Panditji took a stone and taught him a Sanskrit verse. Although he was illiterate, but he had good mind. So he learned Sanskrit word to word. After that, Panditji said to him, whenever you want to talk to God, then speak that verse. Then cowherd thanked to Panditji and said, yes Panditji, I will follow you. After that, Panditji went in a temple and stood in front of God's statue. Then he said, dear God, today I taught an illiterate cow's herd that how can he talk to you? Then a loud voice came from the sky and said, Panditji, today you did not do a good thing. Then Panditji got surprised. He wondered and asked, what did I do wrong today? Then a loud voice said to him, Panditji, today you took a child away from me. He used to come to forest daily and talk to me on different matters and I always wait for him. But from now, he will speak only a recited verse. And actually, he did not know what is the real meaning of that verse. So today onward, he only speak that verse. And you took a child away from me. So dear friends, what we are doing? Only speak or recited things. if you want to talk to God, then say the words which comes from heart, because God listens all the things which comes from our heart, not by our mind. So it is a difference between prayer and meditation. Prayer means talking to God, and meditation means talking to God and listening to God. Om Shanti.